Ray, and as you can see, I've been testing for you guys. All these are 23s, and there's some misleading information up there, and I'm trying to clear it up with the factory Toyota alarm system and just the regular Toyota with no alarm systems. So when you buy their bottom of the line, you're not going to get an alarm system, which means no honking horn and no flashing lights and no relockers. If you have a factory alarm, factory Toyota alarm, you're going to get the honking, you're going to get the flashing lights, and you're going to get the relockers, which makes it harder for us guys to open the cars. You know, we got to catch it just right. You know, got to be talented like that. So once again, this is Ray with the IQ team. If you see an L model, more likely no factory alarm. LEs, some do, some don't. It just depends what it's limited to, what accessories came with the vehicle. Okay? Thank you very much. This is Ray.